Why is there an insane amount of online orders flooding our servers?
I don't know. I just pressed a button. There were some shining lights. And I heard a buzzing noise. And there was no prize. There was no prize at all.
Red, what is that? Is that a choke valve cover?
I don't know. I thought it was a prize. It kept popping out of the machine.
Red, those valve covers are self-oiling and noise dampening. People love them! That's why. Red, why is that machine blinking?
I set it to play a lot, and they keep popping out.
I think it has some unforeseen consequences.
Put them on sale.